Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a Walmart Ibotta haul, so I'm just going to get right into it today. So to start off, at my store there was a bunch of Walmart clearance shoes, including women's flats. So I'm just showing you a couple of the UPCs in case you're interested in checking it out on Brickseek or on the Walmart app to see if your store has some. They were right in the entrance of my store in the first clothing aisle hallway, and there was a bunch of different sizes and colors, including some different funky printed ones, and they were all only $1. They had a little sign on them on each of the carts that they were in saying $1. So I picked up all of the ones I could that were in my size, which is a 6, not wide. So I only ended up actually getting one pair. But if your store has these, check them out because they seem like decent quality and they are only $1. So super good deal. Or if you're interested in getting them as a gift for someone, I think it would be a really great deal. They also had these kind of sneaker style that were on clearance for $5 down from $20. So if you're interested in that, definitely check out your Walmart and their end caps for these clearance shoes. I just want to come on here and also shout out a Peely alert. So my Walmart, a bunch of Pepsi products, 12 packs, had these $2 off of 2 Pepsi Cola product Peely coupons. So I'm just going to peel one off now to show you up close. So you can see $2 off when you buy any 2 Pepsi 12 packs. So this is a crazy, crazy hot coupon if your store has these. I honestly think it might be worth a trip for some people just to go looking for these coupons. They expire at the first week of February, so you still have about a month to use them. And I'm going to look out for some really good, cheap 12-pack deals at different stores to try to use these on and get a bunch of cheap 12 packs. The good things are a really good food deal this week, so they are $2.56 a piece at my store, and some varieties are cheaper at $2.26. So if you want, you can pick up a cheaper variety and make this a little bit of a moneymaker. But I picked up some of the flavored ones for $2.56, 2 of them costing $5.12. I used one of these $1 off 2 boxes of Good Thin Snacks coupons from the 1-3 inserts. This coupon did beat for me on the jalapeno lime and the garden veggie varieties, so just keep your eye out for that and probably go to a regular cashier to get them to push it through. We have a $2.56 BOGO Ibotta and a 75-cent Ibotta that will work twice. Then that will make your total only 6 cents for 2 of them for the flavored varieties. The Mucinex for the 7-count Mucinex DM is $6.97 at my store. We do have a $5 off coupon that's still good if you print it on coupons.com, or we have the one from the 1-3 inserts as well. And then we also have a $1 Ibotta rebate, and that one is on the Mucinex DM Max variety, and you can do this deal up to 5 times, and that will make this only 97 cents this week. The all free and clear clean and care variety for the 49 loads is a really great deal this week with an Ibotta offer. So it's $6.97 at the store. You can use a $1 off 1 coupon from the 1-3 inserts on any one all product. That will work on this large size product. And then we have Ibotta rebates. So multiple Ibotta rebates are attaching on this single one item. So a $2.50 off all rebate is attaching, along with just a plain $2 all rebate. And then you also get an all bonus for the 2 offers attaching for $2. So after all those rebates and coupon, it'll make this a 53-cent moneymaker for this variety. I found a bunch of Glade clearance at my store, so make sure you check any displays with the Glade and the Febreze in them, because I found various Christmas and fall themed items that were on clearance at my store. So you can see there's a Febreze air freshener twin pack, Febreze plugs. There's different Glade oil warmers and oil refills and candles that are all on clearance. So the cheapest thing that I found was the warmer plus the basically the starter kit, the warmer plus the plug-in and the refill. That was only 75 cents. So they had a pumpkin variety that was that cheap, and then the Christmas variety wasn't quite as low on clearance. So this pumpkin spice things up was the cheapest variety that I found. So I think those were 75% off. So I don't have any coupons, but make sure to check this out if you're interested. There are such great deals on Poise this week at Walmart with Ibotta offers and printable and insert coupons that we have. So one option is to pick up this standard Poise. They have 20 to 30 count pads. And so these are $4.84 each at my store. So you want to pick up two of them, and that's going to come to $9.68 for two. Use a 5 off 2 coupon from the 1-3 inserts on any two Poise pads, 10 count or larger, and then you're going to want to submit to Ibotta, so you can submit 2 times for $2.50 back on any Poise pads and liners, so that will give you a total of $5 back, making the purchase of 2 of them a 32-cent moneymaker. The biggest money maker option is to pick up just one of the $4.84 Poise Ultra Thin pads, the 28 count. So that's $4.84. We have $3 off 1 coupons, either from coupons.com or from the 1-3 inserts. So that is going to take off $3. And then we have Ibotta rebates, and they're glitching. So when you purchase one of these 28 count pads, you're going to get back a $2.50 rebate for any Poise pads, and then you'll get a $3 rebate for the Poise Ultra Thin. So that's going to give you an additional $5.50 back. So that is going to make this a $3.66 moneymaker, and you can do this deal 2 times. If you do it twice, it'll be a $7.32 moneymaker. So unfortunately, my store was out of these. So what I opted to do was pick up 2 of the $8.72 48 count pads. So for 2 of them, that's going to bring my total to $17.44. I'm going to use 2 of the $3 off coupons, either from the 1-3 inserts or from or the printable version on coupons.com. And then I'm going to submit 2 times each for the rebates. So again, it's glitching for these ones as well. You'll get $2.50 back for the pads, standard Poise pads rebate, and $3 for the Poise Ultra Thin. So for each one I buy, that's going to give me $5.50 or $11 total when I buy 2 of them. So that's going to make it only 44 cents for 2 of them, or 22 cents each, which is great for the really the big box of Poise Ultra Thin pads. Pull-ups are an incredible Walmart deal this week. So the pull-ups are on the 20 variety size are $8.47. We have a $3 off 1 pull-ups coupon from the 1-3 insert, so it has to be a 6 count or larger. That'll take $3 off, and then this is glitching with an Ibotta offer as well. So it will attach to a $2 and a $3 rebate. You can check to make sure that's going to happen as long as you scan the barcode in Ibotta. You can see both rebates come up. They'll take an additional $5 off when you get that rebate back, making 1 pack of pull-ups 47 cents. Okay, so I thought I finally found this Eco Lips Mango Kiss item for the $147 free rebate on Ibotta. Unfortunately, I actually found the 0.25 ounce size, and the rebates for the 0.15 ounce size. So check to see if your store has this on an end cap. I found this end cap near the Rimmel products at my store. If you can find the 0.15 ounce vanilla honey variety of the Eco Lips Mango Kiss Balm, it will be completely free this week. So just check out your lip care end caps. There is a really good bundle deal on Vaseline this week. So it's only going to apply to the Vaseline Almond Smooth lotion. So pick up one of the Vaseline Almond Smooths at $5.84, and then pick up one of the smaller size Vaseline petroleum jelly, and that's priced at my store at $3.33. So your total is going to come to $9.17 for both items. And then you're going to want to use a $2 coupon from the 1-3 inserts for the large size Vaseline. Then you're going to get back $2 in Ibotta, $1 for the Vaseline lotion, and $1 for the petroleum jelly. And then you can submit to Shopkick. So Shopkick is offering a bundle deal when you buy a lotion and a petroleum jelly for 1,200 kicks. And so 1,200 kicks is equivalent to $4.80, making it only 37 cents for both items, which is incredible. If you're interested in joining Shopkick, you can basically just earn free money towards gift cards, and I will post my referral code on the screen, and it'll also be in the description. The next deal is on Nivea Breathable Lotion, so it's $5.48 at my store. I'm going to pick up 2 of them for a total of $10.96. We have the $3 off coupons from coupons.com, so you can go ahead and print 2 of those. They'll take off $6 total for purchasing 2 of them when you use 2 coupons. And then we have Ibotta rebates for $2 back, and you can do this deal up to 5 times. I'm going to do it 2 times and get back another $4, and so that's going to make it 96 cents for 2 or only 48 cents a piece. So one deal I haven't heard anybody talk about this week is on the Rimmel. So the Rimmel just came out with Ibotta offers, and we have printable coupons from coupons.com that were available like a week or so ago. So as long as you're up to date on your printable coupons and you've printed those, you're going to want to pick up one of the Rimmel powders, either one of the bronzers or one of the Stay Matte powders. They are $3.97, and we have that $2 off printable coupons. So you're going to want to use one of those, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $2.50 back on any Rimmel face product. So that will be a 53-cent moneymaker for the Rimmel face products, and you can do this deal up to twice on Ibotta. A similar deal applies to the Rimmel eye products. The best deal, in my opinion, is to get these little Rimmel single eyeshadows at $2.97. We have $2 eye coupons for any Rimmel product, and those do work on these. And then we have $1.50 rebates on any Rimmel eye product. So that will again be a 53-cent moneymaker each. So the Celestial Probiotic Tea at my store is $2.38. I'm going to pick up 2 of them, totaling $4.76, and then Ibotta has a $2.49 back rebate when you buy 2 of them. So that is going to make the purchase of 2 of them only $2.27, which I think is a pretty good deal, and I'm trying to get to my bonuses this week, so I'm trying to get as many Ibotta offers as possible since we have a couple of different bonuses that I'm trying to get some extra money for. The Campbell's Well Yes soups are ranging in price from $178 to $198, and we have a completely free $198 cash back Ibotta offer, making these completely free, so make sure to pick up your 1 can of soup, and just a reminder that this will also count towards bonuses. A deal that I think is pretty good is on the RX Kids Bar 12-pack. So it's $10.34, and then we have a 50% off Ibotta cashback offer, which is for $5.17, and then there's also a 10-cent baby food offer that's glitching in as well and working on this. So that'll make a box of 12 of them only $5.07. That's about equivalent to 42 cents per bar, which I think is a pretty good deal. There are Ibotta offers on the Purdue free-range chicken, and the offer is for $1.25 back. We also have Ibotta offers on just the standard chicken as well. My store only had the free range of the Purdue variety. So I found the cheapest one, which is $3.42, and then I'm going to get $1.25 back. So I would recommend just finding the cheapest one you can, because $1.25 is going to come off regardless. So for me, this package is only going to be $2.17 for about 1 pound of chicken breast tenderloin, which I think is a really great deal. The last deal I'm going to grab is on the No Cow bars. This is a 4-count pack of bars, and they are $7.98, but we have a $3.98 rebate, so that's 50% off, so these will be like $3.98, and I think that's a really good deal for a really high protein vegan protein bar. So that is all I'm gonna grab today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to me, and drop down your favorite deal in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.